Oscar again mako ngati piny moro ok rach bar kako maki monego jono niki ko bi maki to wachi no itimo makosa Kenya to nego maki titeri ka police ibedo booked iteri court to in may end up mana ikoriyo no kwenye ni iningama koro tange mane kanya ko kwenye tinyalo thon there the government is acting wrongly. Kanyo government act marach. Niki korongeche ne government duoga kitu gimoro kama chanwa ngo jonek moki Kenya kai kata jonek moko sobed around the world maki kosi piny moro to ginyalo biro to gikwenyi to gidhi witi pinyo. That is where things are missing up. Mako ngato kaen ngamo koso ka to jo Kenya ng'eyo diplomacy miwacho no. They want to bring you back. Get him all the necessary documentation to get Kelly to get a police, to get a court, and you are charged officially.
No.
To end up in the hostel, we cannot agree. Abduction and give serikal nyaka non. Kopono gine magitime. To gikonjo Kenya nono jomatime. We cannot allow crimes. Probably ngeni aminjo ni wacho ni activists. Probably in activists manyo chako nyoro. Some of us manocha kugini tiende. We know what our friends went through. Wangie circumstances mano wakale with police. Miyo, chik mina nokta mano wabiro Constitution 2010. Ne wabire out of pain. Mane wawinjo. Wane chopo kaminya lomaki and you do not know. Ingenu wa lose karana student leadership in this country. People would have helped this country. Maber malij. So nitie on account marma kuji. Ti end up your sultani mato ae uru to kain wach moro ni ngato koso to serikal dware to diplomacy wacho no we would expect Ministry of Foreign Affairs, the AG office, the DPP office to coordinate kata DCI ni gurusa mar coordinate with the other DCI in the other country bugi ngacha bugi keleka to bed gi official ma ji ng'eyo ngane to ngane makosa motime ma to kino tere court. Koro kitako poni gimoro time lwetgi ka. We know who to blame. Lakini ngeno konyal kedo gimoro ma ngato lal tede kwanye jomo mego bende could identify themselves magini ngagini. What of kakorin my enemy? To kora biro tan makawi to kinji serikali mabedo blamed. Where will we be going as a country? So to me what abduction tengima serikalo nego gola kabisa. This blame is just too much. We are dealing with very rogue team. Kenya kain piny mosobedo marach kabisa. Kenya kain yen kada joma tatu mosobedo ka control. There was a time when Mungiki was the man of the day. Mane makidonjo idwa pango ot to yin pesa miwenigi samidwa dad winding pesa miwenigi. We have come from afar. Let us not go back in this. Omian kata nyalo wacho makosa ten makosa ka serikal fail ningato timo makosa. Let them follow due process. Kain ngama Tanzania, there are rules govern kakio mongate piny moro. Wany moro ni kada jo Uganda njo ka BCJ kai. We still went and saw BCJ and said, why can't they even copy from Uganda? We are only saying how did they come in to know yen ginadi. You see, that is another angle. Meji nyalo rangu gimoro. To yin jogi kao to en ngama owiti korio. En ngama end up your sultan. That is not good. Kakoro kendo gimoro the oteme will be blamed. And gima nyalo promote militia group to kanyal support. Katobed police mondeki, katobed a grouping mochakare, katobed group moroma around the state. That must be stopped. This idea of abduction, we should onego be ngato be arrested. Kada police o mako ngane karengo. That is a very genuine case. We can now say into how did you arrest him? Mango me umake. That is a genuine cause. Omi anwach ma gazette ondiko. Gazette ngeni is on sale. And gin girango gima nyalo migi pesa. Koro bendi nyano ankawa react gimoto gimonde kanyoto ten. So the best way is give me your information. How do we deal with that information? My take in here, we should have a confident security. Makanga tokoso, they are able to go for him. They tell him, we are going to charge you. What do we investigate? Either we can't give you a bond, they go to court, they take necessary orders, they keep ngano, get him investigation. Kabendo giduo giyore makosa, they still release him. mano be pod chiko yienigi. The best way we must develop a way mwadi lugini. Against seche moko no be out of pressure, out of work, the security no kagini was going too much. But I think now we are going in excess. What in the extreme mad dealing with this thing? Omiyogini why enemies chigni chako donjo. Kenya kae kama wan jok moko ma groupings ma inyalo tigo. Ne do wong ngane to gi wong ngane miwe ne gin kore police. Gibende gi aka police. So the best thing is kiranga picha mwana go enjoy aka. Nyene kijana mina bwana mina na mago enjoy aka. Oken police. Mina no go enjoy ruthless icha. Oken ka police. Nene na kan youth winga. Mane George Ladwa ni mane tiyo ago. George Ladwa maseni MP ma wakadarani. Imani tiyo gago. And ne kan go ngane mercilessly. Makitabe ngane enjoy ne kutingo tiende malo. You would have broken even his head. So the best thing is niginyo so jopo kama koro okonya la chive ni good. Sirikalo bed pin kagi katom rach obio maka. Utera akali due process.